DSU students were invited to meet on the balcony of the Gardner Center in honor of Black History Month. The pizza and playlist allowed the peers to listen to music by Black artists while eating free pizza.
And the students will be given these, I'll show you these cards, and on these cards they have QR codes that have the playlist right to them, so all they would have to do is scan it and they would get access to the Black History Month playlist.
I love it, and if we all get together, we all hang out, we all make more connections, I think that's amazing.
Everybody has a voice at the table, everybody has a meal at the table, and everybody is a space is created to where everybody feels welcome, comfortable, and creative.
Dr. Lockett said it's all about collaboration so students can have conversations and learn more about culture.
Obviously, that's something that's been super apparent on our campus, is remembering history, and Black History Month is another one of those that people need to know about.
Just for all of us to come together and just know that we're all equal, we're all humans, and we all come from different places.
Now, due to this crazy event that happened last year, it kind of opened a lot of people's eyes, especially some white privileged people thinking that none of this is happening and stuff like that, just all behind us. But
no matter the cultural that we're celebrating, whether it's Native American Heritage Month, whether it's Women's Health Month, or Asian American or Pacific Islander or Black History Month, it's American history. So therefore, that's why it's important to share it, and it's important to educate, learn from it, educate with, and teach for the future.
Students then gathered in the courtyard in a flash mob dance, doing the cha-cha in unity.
Okay. Cha-cha, real smooth.
There we go. There we go.
Turn it out.
Turn it.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all.
Take it back.
One hop this time. Right foot, let's start.
Yeah.
Left foot, let's start.
Yeah.
Cha-cha now, y'all.
Cha-cha.
Now it's time to
Even the administrative specialist for the Dean of Students joined in.
Oh, because I loved it for the students. I want to give them some humorous things for their day.
Dr. Lockett and others hope this will create more unity in the future. From Dixie State University, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.